Hello everyone, welcome to One Stop Academy English. In today's video, we will bring the present simple tense to life through a captivating story. Forget the routine grammar drills. We are diving into the narrative world to showcase how the present simple tense is your storytelling superpower. So let's start. Meet Shada. She is a teacher. Every day, she wakes up at 7 a.m. She likes to start her day with a cup of coffee. Then she walks to school. At school, she teaches English to children. She loves her job. The kids enjoy her classes because they are fun. They play games and learn new words. After school, she goes to the park. She likes to read a book or relax on a bench. Sometimes she meets her friend there. In the evening, she goes home. She cooks dinner and watches TV. Before bed, she checks her emails. She likes her simple and happy life. Now let's focus on these sentences. She loves her job. They play games. She is a teacher. Let me know what you already know about present simple tense in the comment section. And in next video, I will explain these sentences in detail. Until then, bye and see you again.